Human personality is a complex and unique combination of traits, behaviors, emotions, and thought patterns that shape how we interact with the world around us. While no two people are exactly alike, certain patterns and characteristics are often shared among individuals. But what exactly influences the development of personality? Is it something we are born with, or is it shaped by our environment and experiences? The answer lies in the intricate interplay of nature, nurture, and various other factors. The long-standing debate of nature versus nurture centers on whether genetics or environment plays a more significant role in shaping human personality. The truth is, both are critical. Nature, genetics, our genetic makeup contributes significantly to our personality traits. Research has shown that certain aspects of our personality, such as temperament, whether we are naturally more introverted or extroverted, are partly inherited. For instance, identical twins, even when raised apart, often exhibit remarkably similar personality traits, pointing to the strong influence of genetics. Moreover, genes can influence our predispositions toward certain behaviors, emotional responses, and even how we react to stress. This genetic blueprint provides the foundation upon which other influences, like environment and experiences, build. Nurture, environment on the other hand, environmental factors, such as upbringing, culture, and personal experiences, play a major role in shaping how these genetic traits express themselves. The way we are raised, our relationships with family and friends, and our exposure to different experiences all contribute to how our personality develops over time. For example, a child who is genetically predisposed to be more anxious might develop strong coping mechanisms if raised in a supportive and nurturing environment. Conversely, a stressful or traumatic environment could amplify their anxiety, shaping how they view and interact with the world. Early childhood is one of the most critical periods for personality development. During this time, children are highly impressionable and absorb much from their environment. Culture plays a significant role in personality formation as well. Cultural norms, values, and expectations influence how individuals express themselves and interact with others. For instance, in individualistic cultures, such as those in the US or Western Europe, people may be encouraged to express their unique traits and prioritize personal achievement. In more collectivist cultures like those in many Asian countries, individuals might be taught to value community, cooperation, and harmony. Society, through its institutions such as schools, religious groups, and peer networks, also shapes personality by reinforcing certain behaviors and discouraging others. Over time, these influences shape how people view themselves and their roles in the larger community. As we grow and encounter various life experiences, our personalities continue to evolve. Major life events such as moving to a new place, starting a job, experiencing loss, or forming significant relationships can shape our worldview and alter the way we approach life. Experiences can also help us refine traits that we already possess. For example, someone who has a natural tendency toward empathy might become even more compassionate after working in a caregiving role. On the flip side, difficult or traumatic experiences can also lead to changes in personality, sometimes causing individuals to become more withdrawn, guarded, or resilient. Various psychological theories attempt to explain how personality is formed. One well-known theory is the Big Five personality traits, which suggests that personality can be broken down into 5 core dimensions: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. These traits are believed to exist on a spectrum, and individuals fall at different points along each trait, creating unique personalities. Other theories, like Freud's psychoanalytic theory or Carl Rogers' humanistic theory, propose that unconscious desires, self-perception, and individual experiences shape personality. While each theory has its strengths, they all contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of how personality develops. The formation of human personality is a multifaceted process influenced by both genetic factors and environmental experiences.